That's really all there is to it on today's early morning technical analysis on XRP. But one of the Bitcoins I wanted to expose, as this whole day is going to be dedicated to this charlatan, this fleecer, and this heister, and the new fleece coin. And he's going to try to get out of it by saying, I told you in the video that this is a shit coin, but you're missing the moon train. Moon going up. How high can it go? How big are our backs? How much money have I made? He keeps posting videos about this peep coin, this shit coin, this dope coin, this dope coin, and this smoke coin that's going down the tubes, and it'll go down the tubes fast. It's just a regional pump. Whoever is getting paid to promote it, which old Vincenzo has suspicion, but no proof that this guy is pumping peep coin, just like he's pumping some kind of casino, they're calling it, the way he's going to invest on his investing trading platform, right? And he's getting sponsored by some kind of crypto casino gambling site to allegedly be trading and investing, right? It's a joke. But this peep coin right here, I have a sneaking suspicion this man is somehow involved in this more than just buying the coins. But here's what I'm going to give you. Here's what I'm going to tell you is the onslaught of advertisements on the YouTube and across the rest of the sphere is about dead after all these people that launched it, how the coin slowly sold into the pump, into the hype, into the momentum, into the retail trader that unfortunately is being fleece heisted and chased again by once again, the same scumbag, the same charlatan, the same fleecer, and the same heister, none other than BitBoy Crypto. That's right, BitBoy Crypto is sponsoring this coin. And when I mean sponsoring, what I mean by that, very carefully, BitBoy, so you don't sue me, is you're promoting it on your channel, saying that you have big bags, saying that you're getting rich off of this, saying that you're making lots and lots of money, and the rest of the sphere and the community should be taking advantage. But here's the dirty little secret: the sellers are almost done. The initial sellers that had all the coins that are being essentially paid to promote this by dumping. Write this down. They're giving coins out ahead of the pump and the marketing and the hype train, and then those coins that they're given, they're allowed to sell into the pump, and they're given lots and lots of coins. And then as soon as they're done selling, they're done hyping. The uninformed, uneducated, looking to get rich quick retail trader dumps in, the coin collapses on them, and that's where the retail trader is buying up here. When you start to see this big, massive trading up here, this is trading, and it's signaling a top. And I believe the top is in, and this is an on-topping reversal pattern, and you're being on-topped or marketed or moved or manipulated into this trade subversively by BitBoy Crypto, that charlatan, and this thing's going to break down in an on-topping reversal pattern. You have a neckline, and then you go from the neckline, from the top of the mountain double top or on-topping reversal pattern, go to the neckline, go to the point of a breakout, and this is the kind of losses you can expect in the very near short term in this peep coin, in this shyster coin, in this pump coin, and in this retail investor-led the slaughter coin is what the peep coin is. There is no utility. There is no use case. There is no future in this coin. It's nothing more than a coin that promoters are paid to promote so they can enrich themselves and walk away with all of your fucking money that I keep trying to help you guys avoid, but you keep walking in, you keep following the charlatanism, and you keep getting fleeced. But this is going to quickly, from its recent all-time high, is going to quickly be down more than 71%, and we'll be back to its old pre-pump highs, and you're going to be fleece heisted and shiced.